This is a random video, so enjoy. Swiss is the best kind of cheese. Only someone with a brain the size of a walnut would think that. Gouda is the best kind of cheese. I doubt that's true. Can we both agree that blue cheese is the worst kind of cheese? No, I like blue cheese. Anyway, stop judging me for what kind of cheese I like. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? You are so annoying. You take that back. How about no? All right. I'm gonna cut this here branch with this here saw. That's a key. Yeah, I know it is a key. I'm going to give you the count of 3 to apologize. This ought to be good. 1, 2, 3. Dude, what are you doing? Any last words? Yeah. Have some American cheese.
America. Oh, yeah.
No!
Ooh, cheese. Too bad it's not Gouda.
What did I say? Eat your jelly beans. Since this video was made around Easter, I have hidden 3 eggs in the video. Good luck finding them.